When it comes to process improvement, I think there are three core disciplines that come into play. Now, you can think of these three disciplines as legs of a stool. Each one supports the others. You take one way, and your process solution doesn't stand for long, or it's not as efficient or as good as it could be. First up, let's talk about Lean Six Sigma. Now, Lean Six Sigma is a tool that many of you in industry are probably already very familiar with. It's all about process efficiency, reducing waste, cutting delays, and eliminating variation that leads to errors and rework. Too often, process improvements with Lean Six Sigma focus solely on the mechanics of the system, the steps, the data, the metrics, and they forget about the people actually doing the work. Lean Six Sigma, used in conjunction with human factors, ensures that we're optimizing it for the people who live the process every day. Because the most efficient process in the world doesn't help if it burns people out, and it causes confusion, or it sets them up to fail. Then we have work analysis. This is the discipline of measuring how people work and how work is actually done. It looks at task structure, flow, and workload to uncover where the demands on people don't match the design of the system. Now, human factors, when brought into that, helps make sense of those demands, revealing the points of fatigue, overload, and inefficiency that might not otherwise show up just in the metrics by themselves. And finally, we have the third discipline, human factors, which is the key to human-centered process improvement. Human factors is all about designing systems that fit people, not forcing people to bend to poorly designed systems. That means designing for attention, decision-making, comfort, safety, ergonomics, and even worker dignity. When you bring these three pillars together, Lean Six Sigma, work analysis, and human factors, you don't just get efficiency. You get systems that are smarter, safer, and more sustainable, because they actually work for the people who run them, not the other way around.